In this video we are going to use the cluster expected location attribute that we have just created, and we will use this location to compare the location that the user is inserting and to check that this location is not exceeding a maximum distance from this expected location. If we want to do this, go to edit the location attribute, go to validations, let's add a new expression to validate the value that the user is inserting. Here you can select function, and we will use the distance function. Among the functions, select distance. Distance will give you the distance in meters between the specified coordinates. As coordinate attributes, we can select the cluster location, the attribute that the user is inserting, and the second attribute, the cluster expected location. Apply. So we want to check that this distance is less than, for example, 100 meters from the expected location. And you click on apply. If you want, you can customize the error message. I suggest you to customize this error message to make it more helpful for the user. Location, we can present this location is too far away from the expected one. Also, if you want, you can define in another read-only attribute you can define another read-only attribute with the distance, with the value of the distance, just if you want to show it to the user. So you can use this expression, the distance between cluster location and cluster expected location, and define it inside the default value of a read-only attribute if you want it to be shown to the user. Let's save and go back. Now that we have this validation rule in place, let's try to see it in the preview. Select Italy, for example. Let's select the location using the map, that is easier. If I select something still in Italy but quite far away from the expected location, for example in the north of Italy, and save, I will have an error like this, that the location is too far away from the expected one. If we type, for example, the exact value of the expected location or something very close to it, we won't have any errors. See here, we will have an error. If we type something like this, we won't have errors.